Hi everyone, good morning. Just want to make a quick live because I feel that on pre-market some of the stock normally we talk they run a lot, and by the time I make videos it takes time and that time is already 9:30. So what I'm playing from now, like maybe come for live for 10 to 15 minutes, then I talk about the stocks that I made videos previously, how they're doing at the same time in the morning, if they're really running hard. So that is why I'm making this particular video. So hopefully this live will give you some idea how to trade today. Some of the things we talked previously, they are really doing good. So I will be covering some of the things this morning. And give me 1 second. I will just wait for some people to join, and maybe I'll just take 30 seconds. Hi everyone, I'm just waiting for some more people to join. Maybe we will start within 3-4 minutes, so it's not going to take long. Just wait for some time. Yeah. And whoever is here, please hit the like button so that more people can join and we can talk about the stocks we are about to see today. And I'm just going to share the link so that more people can join. So give me like few seconds and I will be joining within 30 seconds, I promise. Okay, 10 more seconds and then I'm done. Just 10 more seconds I will take. So I made a video yesterday on Clove, and probably you have seen that particular video. And this is really up. This is up by 36% this morning, and feeling so good. So I just posted, so hopefully more people will join soon. So anyway, I'm gonna start because I said I won't make it super long. So first of all, I want to start with Clover Health. You can see this is up by 36% this morning. And I made a video yesterday. If you haven't watched, please go and watch the video. In the description box I left the link for the Fisker, Fuel Cell, Clover Health. So these three links. At the same time I also listed my other one for Microvision, CCIV and BNGO. So I'm gonna start with Clover Health because this is up by 36% this morning and I think it wants to go higher. So if I go to the chart, like when I made the video yesterday, we were around $12, right? And I was expecting a bigger move today. And the pre-market, you see, we are at 16.31. So it's looking really good because this is the all-time high. I think if we can break $18 mark, that will be the new high. That would be the new high. And please hit the like button so YouTube will pick up this particular live and more people will join. Thank you, Joe. Thank you so much. Got Clove last evening after your video. I'm so glad because yesterday when I made the video, I was so excited because I thought, okay, this is it. This is it. And after market, it was up last night. And this morning, pre-market, this thing is really doing great. We are 36%, and this is not the end. The funny thing will start like when we will break this $18 mark. Yes, we have some resistance. We had around 12, but that's a past history, right? So in case it comes down, keep that in mind. 13.3 could be a support. In case it comes down, it will bounce from here, but other than that, 15.8 it was what was my last point. And then that's the all-time high. This is what I'm looking at. 17.33, 17.5. Once we break it, then we fly. Let me show you how we are doing in the morning. So I'm gonna open the 5-minute chart. and from here you can see how we are moving. So we are here yesterday, right? Then the pre-market we went up 15.88. What was the resistance? We hit it, came down, and now we are up. We might retest 15.88, currently 16.41. But if we can break 17.33, that would be the nice thing, because after that we will just fly. So I bought some call option expiring June 18th for um strike price 11. So I will hold, I will not sell today, because I have been seeing many due diligence by different people. Some people are talking about 17, some people are talking about 22. So if you want to see more on clove, please check my last night video. I have the link in the description box. Please watch that, and also leave your comment if you want me to cover any particular stock, because I will just go through the one I have in my mind. And if you want me to cover anything else, let me know. But the other one is BNGO. Again, wonderful. I made a video previously and I was talking about BNGO, that this thing will fly. Yeah, we had a massive day yesterday, and today you can see that we are already up. Let me see how much we are up. BNGO, where is BNGO? So BNGO, so we are up already 6%. So we had 22%. Today we are up 6%. And again, in the morning, you can see we went up, hit 9.2, came down, and still we are around 9 area. So what's the plan for today in case you want to make a quick swing trade or anything, right? So I'm just showing up the chart here because this is important. So you see here 9.74, 9.75. That's a big resistance here, right? Because it was a resistance before, it was tested mid-March, didn't happen. Then it was a support before, so very important to break 9.75. Can you just leave me a comment, someone, because I see a error saying that YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. I don't want buffering, so I just want to know that everything is working okay. My voice, the video quality, everything is okay. Please leave a comment, just say yes. And also please hit the like button so that more people can join. I normally don't come to live. I'm just trying to make a habit of coming live every pre-market. So I need your support. Yes, my first few videos would be terrible. I might talk unnecessary things, but I need your help, because if I see there is enough interest and people are liking, then probably I will start making these kind of videos more and more. So instead of posting 5 videos in the morning, I will just make 1 video coming live and people will see. So I don't know, my video, I'm getting some kind of error message. I don't know why. Is the oh, my streaming is very poor. I don't know why. All good now. Was buffering before though? All good. Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, looks good. So let's go back to our chart now. So BNGO, so that's the BNGO, and just look here, if you're doing any kind of day trading, the 9.74, I think this is the important place, right? 9.74, we might go and hit and come back, but other than that, if you think it might come back, we should look at this area as well. Around 8.07, it was some kind of resistance before. Yesterday we definitely were in this area, but again it can come down, it's running really hard. But 9.74, this is the important thing. If we can break this one, this thing can go to 11 and 15. So I had so many shares, and I'm also planning to buy some call option. So let me know if you are interested on a call option. Next I want to go to AMC, so the king of everything. So as long AMC is running, everything else will run. And keep an eye on AMC, because if this thing drastically drops, then you will see video blurred but audio perfect. I'm also getting the same message. It's saying video is blurred. I don't know, what should I do? Maybe I should change my settings. Recently I changed my video internet, and it's supposed to give me a very good line, because this is fiber optic. Can I change the stream health output? Output is giving me a message. I don't know why. Audio bitrate, video bitrate, video is kind of blur. Let me see. Yeah, I think my first few days I will have some difficulties. Then with time I will just learn this kind of life. So again, thank you very much. Yeah, so that's the chart we were talking last time. I said if you haven't watched it, you see the triangle here. Last time it was moving in a triangle, making lower highs and higher highs, then it exploded. Same thing is happening, making lower highs and higher highs. Then we broke it yesterday, came down. Now here we are sitting at a very important support of 58. I think if this thing is maintained, I think that will be nice, because this thing can run towards the next one, which will be around 64 area. Then we have 68 and 72. So I'm just playing with shares. I'm not playing with call option for AMC. So I'm just holding. I just want to hold till it goes to 100. Then we have BlackBerry. I'm so sorry if my video is giving me a hard time. I don't know why. Normally my video is really good, and today it seems like I'm having some issues. I'm so sorry for that. I will just do some more work before I come online. By the way, if you are a Fisker holder, today at 11 o'clock Eastern time, there will be an annual shareholder meeting. So I will be broadcasting that event live. So Fisker 2021 annual meeting of shareholders today at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so 11 a.m. here. So I will be broadcasting the event. If you want, you can just watch the entire event. If you are subscribed, let me know, because you need to select the all options, so whenever I go live you will get the notification. So okay, so let's go back to BlackBerry. So again, the BlackBerry, we called it when it was around $13. So we are gradually going up and up, but the good thing is I think currently we are at 16.69, and you can see that if we can break any idea about PLTR and CRON. Okay, I will have a look on PLTR and CRON. Definitely yes. So just on a daily, on a 1 hour chart, just look at the chart. If we can break through the 17 resistance, 17.5, this thing will explode. So I played with some call option, and again I'm holding some share. Let me know if you want me to cover some call option, which one to pick, which one not to pick. I can go, but look at the chart now. We are gradually making a V-shaped recovery, which is really looking good. Instead of 1 hour, if I go to a 5-minute chart, let me see how we are doing. So since aftermarket yesterday, we are going pre-market. We had a resistance around 16.5. We are above that, and I think the next resistance we might have around $17. Once 17 is broken, then let me see which one would be the next one. I do not know what is your need. Do you want me to cover more on the call option side, or just an overall idea how things are moving? Because I just want to know your need, right? Anyway, so once we break 17, we will have something around 17.85, but the real fun will start again once we break through 18. This thing can go $20, $21, even $30. Who knows? But I'm really very, very bullish on this particular one. PLTR. So this is PLTR, and in my last video I talked about PLTR, how it is grinding up and up, and I will just adjust the, let me go back to 1 hour chart. Fuel cell is trending, is up by 6%. Okay, so I made another video on fuel cell yesterday. I was experiencing I thought it will go higher, and I think it's already 6% up pre-market. So this is PLTR, and in my last video I was talking about it. So I'm showing you a 5-minute chart, and you can see how it is going nice. So it came all the way, it was a downtrend, right? Came down, 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 down. At what point it said enough is enough. So $17 was the bottom. Now with time it is going higher, so you can see it here, right? So the black line is the new trend. So we are making higher lows, and we are going higher and higher, and currently we will have a big amount of resistance, I think around 25 area. So let me adjust around Yeah, around 25 area, and currently we are sitting right at that point. So we tried yesterday, you see the candles here. So we tried to break this yesterday, no, then we came down again, we went up again, we tried again. Now we are at the verge of this particular triangle, and once we can break this triangle, definitely this thing can explode. Things are looking really nice, because if we break 25, I think we have more room to go, and we know PLTR can run really hard if things are going in the right direction. So I think after 25, we might see some kind of resistance around 27.67. BNGO, I just talked young women about BNGO, but I will come back to BNGO because I love BNGO, and whoever is subscribed to this particular channel, like we are on BNGO from $7, we went to 15, we came back, and again we are having fun. Anyway, so on PLTR, you can see that we are grinding, and currently we are sitting at a very important point. So if we can break 25, 25.25, this area, I think we will go for 27. And after that, I will play for PLTR call option today because I'm not holding any PLTR. I sold some of it, so the call option will be my strategy. So after 27, we hit around 30 and then more. So let me see a call option. By the way, I talked about Clover Health, AMC, BNGO, BlackBerry. Let me know if you want to cover me again. But other than that, I want to go to PLTR. This is something I want to play. This is something I really want to play because looking really nice, and PLTR is a long-term hold. So one thing I can do, instead of just playing a short call option, maybe I can buy a leap option as well, because people are saying this thing can go to 40, 45, 50. So let me open. So today's volume is good. Sorry, this is from yesterday, but today is looking really nice. I'm going back to Chrome and BNGO. My video quality is not good. I get it, and also my internet has become slow. Is it because I'm on live? I don't know, but I'm trying. I'm trying my best. You see, this thing is loading and it's taking so long. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, it's taking longer. Whew, whew. For PLTR, previously in my channel, we talked about August 20th expiry date, because to me, the PLTR implied volatility is very less compared to the other one. So if you play with August expiry date with 74 days to expire here, so basically if your target is 27, why I'm saying 27, you see, once we break 25, we will hit towards 27, then 30 and more. So if you are targeting 27 at least, then I think this is a good one. 25 is your strike, your premium is 2.39, so your break even is 27.4. Maybe you can try this, but again, when the market will open, this thing can be a little higher. But if you buy this, and especially if you're planning to do a day trading, buy, and when it goes to 27, this premium will become like 340 or 440. Just get out and make some money. The good thing is, you see the implied volatility, which is only 53%. So this is the good thing, right? Even though PLTR moves sideways, you will not see a volatile price action on the option premium. So give it more time. If you want to take August, if you want to give it even more time, January 2022, I think still the premium won't be that expensive. Look at something 27 strike or even 30 strike. So you will get the idea, right? So you see, these are not very expensive. Look at the open interest. This is amazing. So for January 2022, there are 63,000 call options are waiting for 30 strike. 40 strike, 36,000. That's a lot. So many people are betting on this particular one. Let me look on June 18, because I see people are betting on PLTR. Look at the open interest. So 56,000 call options are waiting for 25 strike price. So they are betting this thing will go to 25, and already we are 25. So that is an old story. But what about July? July 16. I have Chrome and BNGO to my list. Let me type. By the way, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to this particular channel and also hit the like button so that more people can see this particular one. I might not continue this for super long because I think you also need to have some kind of time before the market opens for your preps. So again, the open interest again, not a great. Yeah, I think go with the August expiry date, and you can try with 27 break even or 30 break even. Looks good. Okay, let me have a look at Clove. Wonderful, wonderful. So Clove is 37.92%. So this thing will run for sure. I'm super excited on Clove today. Okay, let's go back to BNGO. BNGO. I'm in the basement. That could be one thing that my line is slow. Maybe next time I will be just doing it on upstairs. So I won't have a terrible, terrible connection. Okay, how Clove is doing. I'm looking at Clove because if we can go over 17, that would be exciting. Okay, 16.17. Keep that in mind when the market opens. Many people can take their profit at the same time. Maybe shorts will reappear. So if you want to lock some profit, maybe just lock some profit and ride the wave again, or you just wait for this thing to come down and go up again. But it seems like it is coming down a little bit on pre-market. The fun will begin after 9:15. We will get a better sense how Clove is doing. Is it coming down or is it going up? But anyway, if you're an option holder, you can do any pre-market trading, so we have to wait till it ends. Okay, so BNGO. So again, BNGO, I think we are up almost 8% this morning and we are at $9, which is looking good. I will just shortly cover BNGO because if you are planning to do any kind of day trading or swing trading, look at the chart here. 9.74 would be a massive resistance because it was a resistance here and previously it was always a support. So if we can break 9.75, I think we will go towards 11.50. And yes, don't forget it went all the way to 15.5. So yes, once we break 10.11, we break 9.75, we will go towards 11.50. So I have lots of shares on BNGO. Same time, I might play with call option, but I will only play call option in case it breaks 9.75 because I'm predicting it might come back when the market will open. I'm showing you a 1 hour chart, and let me see on a 5-minute chart how we are doing. So not bad. So the yellow bands are pre-market, so not bad. So we made a massive run, we came down, and now we are trying to U-shape recovery. Not looking bad, not looking bad. So the important thing is, can we break the 9.2 mark? Once we break this thing I think will go towards 9.7 area. Clove is dropping now. Oh, I don't like it. Why Clove is dropping now? Thanks, Krishna. Okay. Okay, as long Clove is over 15.9, 15.85 area, I think this is good because this is our resistance. So we pass to this resistance and we are coming down. The important thing is, can we stay above 15.9 area pre-market or even when the market opens? There could be some possibility it will come down and it will bounce that 15.9, then it will run towards 17.3 area. But if this thing is broken, maybe Clove will come down to 14, 15, who knows. But anyway, I will see, I will watch. It all depends. Again, I said, like, people will take profit at the same time when the market will open. There will be lots of short sellers because this is almost close to the all-time high, and the all-time high is always a very important resistance. But if this all-time high is broken, this thing will go through the roof. Also, for more update or more information, I have left the Clove video link in the description box. Please have a look if you want to see more why Clove is going high. I made the video yesterday after market. I was predicting a move, and excellent, we are 35% up pre-market, so we will see. Anyway, so BNGO, young women, thanks. So anyway, play with a call option, young women, or with shares. So I'm holding my shares for BNGO at least for $13 to $15. At the same time, I might play with call option, but I want some kind of confirmation that we are holding the support, or if we come down significantly, then I will buy some call option. Okay, CRON. We have SNDL, we have Fisker, we have Fibel, so many things to cover. Is 953. Okay, so Cron is doing good. Cron is doing good. We are here 9.23. Okay, looking great. And I never covered crone in this particular channel, so I need to draw some lines and beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I think you see the overall trend line for crone here, right? And so that was some kind of resistance around 9. We broke it. I think the next one will be around 9.34, and things are looking in the right direction. 9.34 would be our resistance. If we break it, we come down, and maybe 9.1. If we stay between 9.34 or 9.1, I think this is good. But if we can break 9.34, this thing will go higher. Let me look at a bigger chart now. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's draw some more resistance because this is not the final thing. Okay, so another one would be around 9.9. You see some kind of rejection here. Previously it was a support here, previous a support here. So yes, I see 9.9 and again 10.9. I do not know if there is any catalyst behind that, but yeah, this is the chart. Just the chart is telling me it is looking like nice. It is making a nice recovery. Once we break 9.35 area, I think we will go towards 10. Once 10 is broken, we go towards $11. I will also talk about some penny stock because I'm talking about all the things, but I also want to make about penny stock. But look at fuel cell, because fuel cell is also up. I made another video on fuel cell last night. If you want, have a look. They have an earning this Thursday, so definitely there is an earning catalyst. And also Fisker I will quickly cover. So Fisker, you can oh, this is fuel cell. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, so wow, so last night I talked about this and we were at the resistance 11.6, and I was talking this is very important to break because 11.6 would be a massive resistance because it was a support sometime and it was rejected previously. Now what happened, we are at 12.25 and you can see nice candles looking really nice. I think we can go towards 13.88 and 15. The ultimate price target for me is around 18.5. When I say ultimate, is near to short term because I think 18.5 we tried twice and it was rejected. So I'm predicting this thing can go up to 18, then it might pull back. But again, that thing went to $29. It came all the way to 7.5. 7.5 was held as a support, and now we are moving higher. So if we can hold 11.6 again, if there is a pullback, if we can hold 11.6, that's a nice thing because after that we will run towards 13.8 area. Then I have Fisker. Maybe I'll just continue for 5 more minutes because I don't want to make it super long. I want to give you some time to prep and make your trade ideas, and maybe next time we will also make trade ideas together. So Fisker, again, I make another video on Fisker. Have a look. I said 2 catalysts. So they have an event today at 11 o'clock. So they have an annual meeting of shareholder, and that meeting they will talk about their new climate neutral vehicle which will come on 2027. So more details will come on this particular event. See my video which I posted yesterday. At the same time I will broadcast this particular event at 11 a.m. Eastern time, so you can also see their annual meeting, and please make sure to subscribe if you want to see. At the same time, Fisker has another event tomorrow. They will be presenting in a conference. I will also broadcast that particular event so you can see. And on May 17th they have an earning. So some catalysts are waiting for Fisker, and Fisker is also doing good. You see the overall trend is broken. 9.75 was the time we made a video. Around 10 we said buy it, and from 10 currently it is 17.67. And each time I talked yesterday that each time when it comes down, it breaks the support, it moves sideways. So again, we broke the support, we might move sideways or we just start running. But Fisker can go up to 24.9, $25. And if you go to Nasdaq, it has an average price target of $25. So why not we go to $25 if good catalysts are coming one by one? Okay, and am I missing anything? Fisker, fuel cell, PLTR, oh, SNDL. Let me know in the chat box if you have anything. Let me type. I think my video is lagging today. Any other stocks? And thank you so much whoever is here. This is early morning and I don't expect a lot of people, and please hit the like button. At least 14 people can give like 14 likes so more people can join. But next time I will make sure like my video is doing great. I think my video is lagging a little bit, but anyway. So SNDL, this is one stock I cover a lot. So in my last video I talked we have to maintain the 1.22 area. We came down, but again we are on that particular area again. And why I was talking 1.22? Because there was a gap. We gapped up all the way to 1.6, came down, but again now we are filling this particular gap. So if today we can go above 1.25, that's the important thing. Yesterday we were around 1.2 area, so that is nice. Now if we make 1.25 and more, that will be the nice thing, because that gap will be fixed and we will run towards higher. And I made again more video on SNDL because it has a very high short interest. And also we have wall listed bets, they are betting on this one. And also this, if this company has no debt, they have 1 billion cash, and they are doing so many amazing things. And this thing went to $4, keep that in mind. So again, this thing can explode. I'm holding my shares. Again, very important, we stay above 1.25, and last time we hit the resistance around 1.6 or 1.59. So let me show you the chart on a bigger picture. So yeah, looking good. 72 was the bottom here. Then this is some kind of another level we need to watch, which is around 97. That's the old history. Now look at here, around 1.3, some kind of resistance here, then became a support. Again we came down, so we need to break this 1.3. That's the important thing. 1.3, we break it, we move towards 1.6. And look the beauty here, once this 1.6, 1.75, these areas are broken, this thing can fly, because you see the massive squeeze happened in this area. So this thing can really fly. So I'm very excited, and definitely if there is a short high interest, there is lots of pump coming, this thing can fly. So I'm just keeping my shares. At the same time, SNDL is very cheap, it's a penny stock, but it has call options. So if you want, you can always buy call option. Lasanta, I'm gonna cover CCIV for sure, but let's see SNDL. My internet, please don't be slow, because I just want to make it as quick as possible. And if you are new to this particular channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also click on the like button so that more people can join. Anyway, leap option. So you know leap option is long expiry date. So if you buy something for 2023 January, it will give you 592 days to expire. And look at the premium, so still cheap, right? So if you take 0.5 strike, you are paying only $86. So 86 plus 50 is 1.36, and the current price, I think we are at 1.16. So if you think it will go over 1.36 by next 2 years, just buy it and forget. So again, you can buy with 0.5 strike, 1 strike, 1.5, but look at the difference, only $13 difference. And when you buy, delta is important, because you need to see with $1 increase in price how much profit you are getting, and especially if they have only $13 difference. So you see this is 90, 82, 86. So $1 increase in SNDL will give you $90. So you pay $87 now, $86 now, and if SNDL goes to $1 up, you will get $90 up. So this is how you can play. And also, like, you can buy a long expiration date, just spend $87 and forget everything. Or if you buy 100 share, it will cost only $116. Again, very cheap. So okay, let's go back to CCIV. I'm just checking continuously close. So 16.21, okay, as long we maintain 15.9, I'm happy. And this thing is looking good, 35-36% looking good. CCIV, okay, I made a video on CCIV. Yes, it was the day before. It's a new channel, but it's really growing at an amazing pace. Thank you so much, everyone. CCIV, I made a video on 2 days before. Watch the video. And I was talking excellent. So in my video, I was talking at if it breaks 24.75, this thing will explode. And it happened yesterday, even though I was not playing CCIV, but it happened. Okay, so good thing is, if you have watched my video, played with call options or anything, made money, congratulations. End of the day, we are here to make money. The next resistance, I think it should be around 26.8 area, because you see 26.8, it was a support, and now we broke through it. So pre-market is looking good. If I go a little bit high, 27.6, yeah, the price action is looking really nice on a 1 hour chart. You see the yellow one, these are pre-market. So we had 2 massive candle, and we need to break this particular one. So let's go back to a 1 minute chart just to see a better picture here. So zoom. Okay, so lots of dots here, right? Okay, things are looking good. We tried 27.5, we came down to 27.3. Again, not a big deal. If we can break this 27.6, 27.8 area, I think we are set to explode. I'm moving to 15-minute chart. I'm just moving around with different time frame because this is important just to get a better picture. Yeah, I think this is an important area, 27.6, 27.7, with some kind of rejection here, some kind of rejection here, and previously it was a support. So we need to break on a conservative side, let's say $28. If we can break $28, I think we will move towards our next one, which will be around 30.5. Yeah, so again, play with call option or play with here. I don't know how you want to play, but things are looking good. This thing is going higher and higher. And don't forget CCIV. There is a rumor that they will have a margin news by end of second quarter. So the second quarter is basically April, May, and June. And currently we are at June. So end of the month, most probably there will be some kind of news and this thing can go. Again, CCIV has a very high short interest. I encourage you to watch my video on CCIV, then you will get a better sense of CCIV, but things are looking good. 24.7 was the resistance. We broke it. We gapped up this morning. So now the important thing is, can we break 27.6 area? If we can break it, we will go higher. Look at Clove again. I'm just watching Clove. Excellent. And what about BNGO? 7.38 looking good. BNGO, look, we went in the morning around 9.2 area. Now we are coming down. So with BNGO, just be a little bit careful because the pre-market we are coming down. Normally around 950, 920 you see a real push if this thing is really going up. Other than that, it's coming down. But the important thing is, let me draw a line. Young women, if you're still here, please have a look. I'm super bullish on BNGO. So you see the support here, it was a resistance yesterday, then it became a support this pre-market. So this is very important. We have to maintain the support, which is around 8.95 area. As long we are above 8.95, we can make the move. But if the market opens, we break it, then we might come down all the way to 8.75. So again, keep an eye. Do not be super excited because so many things can happen. So pre-market we are at $9. So as long we are over 8.95, I think we are okay. As long we are over $9, we are okay. So this is BNGO. Look at CCIV. So my top picks today is Clove, definitely, and I had a call option. Hopefully when the market will open, it will be super green. I might decide. And again, you see volumes are coming down. Okay, we went up, it coming down. We had some kind of resistance around 27.5, 27.5. Yeah, so again, watch for the action. So it might make a U-shaped recovery, but things are looking like it is coming down. So we have to wait and see how things are moving going forward. Look at Clove. I'm more interested on Clove. You see why I'm biased towards Clove, because this thing can make us a lot of money today because we have a call option at a cheaper premium. So why you take so long? Let me load. 16.25. Excellent. We were around 16. Now again we are 36%. As long we maintain this till 9:30, I think we will go higher. And more people will buy because there is a FOMO, right? If they think this thing can go to 50, so more and more people will come and join when 9:30 hits, market opens. And this is not looking, my Yahoo is so slow. Anyway, so do you want me to cover any other chart? It is 9:07. I plan to make a 15-minute live. Seems like it's already 39 minutes. And thank you so much whoever is staying with me, even though I'm having video issues and my second time actually today on going live and making charts. So again, apologies if I'm slow, if I'm talking some rubbish. And again, let me know. I need your comment. You can leave your comment on the chat box. I love to hear from you. It's not like I'm just making so am I meeting your need? What do you want to see? Do you want me to look at call option or just the support and resistance? So let me know. And also I have a Twitter and StockWith, so I post time to time. I also post on my YouTube community board, so you can subscribe and you can check my community. And also some people are asking me to make a Discord channel so they can chat and I can give them real-time update. But Clove is looking good. So far we are maintaining. So far we are maintaining, and you see, yeah, let me draw a line. I love to draw lines because I love technical things, right? Yeah, so this is how things are moving, and let me update it. So yeah, 15.9716, as long we are over 16 we are good. And I think once we break this trend, you see we are making lower highs, so this thing needs to be broken. Once we can break, if we go on that side of the line, I think we will run towards 17.5. Once we break the all-time high, that will be the beauty. This thing can move to 20-25 dollars. So I'm very much excited. Watch the price action. Things are looking nice. People are coming because some broker, they allow after 9 p.m. they allow people to buy. So you see how clove is moving, so again we need to see. Let's see, can we break this? So things are looking like for last few minutes we are making higher lows, so once we break it, maybe we will fly. And before I close, I want to check with AMC. AMC is moving sideways, excellent. As long we maintain 57.5 for AMC, excellent thing, we will go higher and higher. BNGO, my other top pick today, again coming down. Just be cautious before you enter. Sometimes the first 10-15 minutes is very volatile in the market, so keep an eye. CCIV, you see it came down, but again 10-15 cent, not a big thing. PLTR, again you see we were around 25, now we are a little bit down. What else? Fuel cell. Fuel cell, you see, is coming down again. Be cautious, it might come down even more. And what else? BlackBerry. BlackBerry is looking good. BlackBerry is looking good. So BlackBerry, once we break $17 resistance, we will fly. And some other ones I previously covered. KOSS came down. Pre-market we are up. Okay, so KOSS pre-market we are up over 29, which is a support. So not bad. Nokia, this is one other thing coming down. Okay, I'm gonna skip Nokia. BPBY. PPBY again trying to make some kind of recovery. Okay, Joe, thanks so much. How can we private chat? Yeah, this is one other thing for Discord, because I don't know, because maybe I'll just initiate a Discord channel where we can talk. Initially, I will make it free for everyone. We can all join, we can all talk, we can give each other ideas. So it's not only I'm talking about stock, you also give me the information, you also talk about other stock, I cover that. So we help each other. But sometimes with a free Discord, you see many spam bot they come. So maybe if it is there, maybe not the first month, for sure first month will be free. Maybe we will just start with something like $2 a month or $5 a month, which is like 10-20 cents a day. We make a lot of money. 20 cents a day does not matter. So initially it will be free, but with time maybe it can be $2, $5, I don't know. We will start gradually, but the thing is we want to make a community where we talk each other. I talk about some stock, you talk about some stock, we discuss. That will be the best thing, so we can chat. And also I have a Twitter. I think my Twitter description is always under the in the description box for all of my videos, so you can also connect with me Twitter. You can send me a message in Twitter. I have a stock with, and again I have an email address, thestockanalyst@gmail.com. so reach me. I'm always here. I love my community. It's a growing channel and we are growing, and you see it's a growing channel, is going fast, and it's really is going fast. And this is, yeah, 2277, this is what we are here, but I want to make it as far as I go. And if you are not subscribed to this particular channel, please subscribe, because I need your help for this channel to grow. We have 17 viewers concurrently. I have 11 likes. Please hit the like button. Yeah, we will see. So anyway, my friend, I'm gonna close the live stream now. And because we have few time, we need to make prep, we need to see pre-market. And thank you again for watching this particular video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and enjoy the trading day. I might come again live, I don't know, but 11 o'clock Eastern time there will be a live for Fisker annual shareholder meeting. Keep an eye, I will be live. And yeah, that's it for this morning. Have a wonderful trading day. Let's make some money, and I'm here if you have any question. I'm here. I love my community, and thank you so much. Take care. Why do you see AMC dropping at open? Okay, last question before I leave. Okay, so this is AMC. I think the important thing is if it comes to 57.5 and if it holds, this is the important thing. If we can hold 57.5, I think we are okay. The pre-market looking okay because it is moving sideways. If it might come down to 57.5, then I think it will push. And while I'm talking about resistance, I think I should also talk about this resistance here, which is around 59.5 or 60. You see, it was previous high yesterday, came down. We tried to break it again. So we might hit some resistance around 60, and if we can break 60, we will go higher. But yeah, things are looking, we are having some red candles, so it might come down 57.5. Hold the line. If it comes down around 56, just buy more. Whenever there is a dip below $50, I'm just buying more AMC share. But if it dips a lot, 55.5, buy more. Yeah, there is no end how much it can dip, but we know how high it can go. Then there will be another dip around $54, and yeah, I think it's not coming back to 54 or below. But if it does 54, then maybe 52. So 52, 54, 55, 57.5. On the other hand, if we break 60, this thing will explode from 60. I think it will go towards 60, $68. So things are looking good. Some of the comments, Jinesh, yeah, I talked about AMC. Stacy, great. I will send it to my friend. Stacy, thank you so much. I loved your comments. So again, thank you. And please share my video so that more people can see and they can join. I need your help for this channel to grow. And thank you so much for joining this morning, because when I see more people are joining, they're talking, we are interacting, that makes me bullish. And I think I will just make more videos every day. And again, Jinesh, thank you. And one last thing I did not cover at all today. So I have a screener for day traders. Normally, I make a list if the stocks are between 2 to 20, how much they are up pre-market. So I can always look at the pre-market change. And then I go to the news. If there is a big news, then what is the support, resistance? And you can see for my criteria, 2 to $20, Clove is number one, up 35%. Next is 26%, GBS up 14%, AYTU 14%, BBIG 14%. So this is one other thing normally I do for day trading. I look at the pre-market, then I go if there is any news or anything. If there is a big catalyst, then I look and watch. And especially by 9:15 or 9:20, if I see we are making a new high, then I go in, get in and get out. But this is for day trading. Normally day trading are very risky and volatile. But again, some of the stock, they have call options, so you can also buy with call option. I was planning to cover this stock screener thing today, but I'm so consumed with other things that I forgot. And it's already 48 minutes. Okay. Thanks, Genius, for the comment. So maybe I'm not gonna cover, but today's pre-market high, you see Clove, next GBS, AYTU, BBIG. So many things, right? Anyway, I'm not covering, but this is the list. I'm just showing you. So if you really want, you can go through the ticker symbol, and if you see any news, Clove we covered. Next I did not cover, but again seems like it has a high float, 120 million float. It has a good volume. Next, and the relative volume is 59, so anything over 1.75 is good. So lots of volumes are coming. I don't know what's the news, but definitely something is cooking. Let's look at next. Before I finish, I want to finish, and I'm so excited. AMC is at 58.1 pre-market. Thank you, Stacy. So AMC, I talked about 55, and now this is 58.1. Okay, looks good. I think AMC is holding the floor. So this is next, and next is $4. So it was I don't know what happened, but anyway, next is moving a lot. I don't know the news I need to cover. Anyway, I'm not gonna cover everything because we are close to market open. So yeah, you can see Clove, next, AYTU, BBIG. Anyway, I'm gonna close the stream. I think I should give you 10 minutes for making some coffee or taking some prep, and just which stock you will be targeting this morning if you're planning to get in or day trade or swing trade. I'm gonna stop now. Stop now. I will just close the stream after 1 or 2 minutes if you have any comment. But other than that, thank you again. Anyone new here, subscribe. Anyone new here, if you don't like it, leave a comment. I just want to hear from you. Again, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Let's have a wonderful trading day and take care, my friends. Take care. Bye. Hmm. Perfect, perfect. I talked about breaking this particular pattern and we broke it. We went up, we came down, but seems like we are breaking. Perfect. Once we break 16.9 or 17, we are gonna explode. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream now.